What's going on, guys? My name is Rajeev Kugan and thank you for checking in. So before we jump into anything, yes, I'm wearing my toque. No, it's not cold. Yes, it's snowing outside. And okay, let's be honest, my hair is bad and I just want to cover it. So just a few hours ago, I was out with my family. I had my data off. Came to realize that it's not social media, it's more of just me having access to the internet. Kind of keeps me away from being distracted, spend more time and be focused. So once I turned my data back on, what I noticed was that I got a little ding notification from Twitter where DBRAND just said, hey guys, sorry, blah 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 blah. I was like, let me see what this is. So for those who do not know DBRAND, they pretty much make awesome skins. So I decided to go get one for you guys so you can see. I literally got this for Black Friday, and let's just say, like everyone else, haven't put this on. So pretty much looks like this. This is my buddy's OnePlus 6T camo skin. And as for myself, for my Pixel 3 XL, I also have a camo skin that I haven't put on yet. And I feel like pausing this video and applying the skin. I'm gonna do it. Hold up. Okay, now back to the video. I don't know, it just felt like the right time to get it done. Side note, if this is the first time you've ever done this before, just letting you know, you have to use like a heat gun or like a blow dryer just to put some heat on it to kind of stretch and push it. That's why I got both skins. I've only done the easy way out. It takes a little bit more time to put some pressure and do the full flap, the full body version. But there's also a hack. If you put a case on top, what happens is by overnight, it just kind of creates the shape for you and sticks in. So if you follow the tweet, pretty much it's their press release or their Reddit release indicating that there were some production issues with their grip, which is their revolutionary phone case, along with their screen protector, which is called PRISM, which had no production issues at all. So what's the point of this video? As per my title, is taking a moment to appreciate companies out there like DBRAND being fully out there from a customer service standpoint. And you'll be surprised, a lot of companies today still don't understand that customer experience is the #1 key to customer satisfaction. And the best thing about DBRAND is they always do it in their style. I'm not gonna go through everything, but I wanna give you some key pointers that DBRAND still sticks to their fashion of being a troll, being upfront, and being cool about the whole situation. So they kind of start off with the gist of what is this about? Why are you guys here? Why are we sending out this email or this thread? And they kind of tell you where to go find it, but they also troll you for using Hotmail in 2019. They literally tell you to exit your Internet Explorer browser and reconsider your life choices. To be honest, when I read that part, I was dying. And that's DBRAND, and that's customer service. Even in a situation like this, they're still making you feel welcome, that you're still part of their community, that they're still cool about the situation, and they will give you a solution to the problem. And they kind of move into the next section, which is part 2, the issue. So they pretty much go into detail of what took place. Here's the best part. They actually go into technical details, but give you an analogy through using Legos. So they introduce the word flash, and they kind of give you the gist of flash is pretty much a production error during manufacturing. But you're like, what does that even mean? And they started off with, here's an ELI5. At first, I'm like, oh, this must be some kind of production technical algorithm tool, kind of explaining in a very simple format of what ELI5 is. I Googled it and it pretty much means explain like I'm 5. I didn't know this. I don't know if you knew this, but it's news to me. They pretty much put Lego into place, saying that, hey, listen, if you're a Lego builder, you start stacking all the Legos and putting it together. Just to apply a finish, you slap Play-Doh all over it and start peeling it off and realize there's some residue left. That's exactly what flash is in the production world, and that's what took place. And I'm happy that they even go into detail by showing you pictures, and I'm sure you've seen this before in so many different cases that you've bought where you knew these were production issues, you knew these weren't complete products. Looks like trash, and that's exactly what they want to avoid. They want to ensure you that the product meets the standards they put out there. We know when you buy DBRAND, you're getting quality. They do not want to compromise that. And for someone like myself, spending that kind of money, I would not want to see that kind of little damage on my phone case. The OnePlus 6T, the Pixel series were all perfectly fine. It was mostly the Apple and the Samsung ones that got damaged, and they could have still shipped this out. To be honest, some customers probably wouldn't even notice. But it's because DBRAND wants to stick to their quality of service, and ensure that customer service is #1 on their list. That's the reason why they even decided to do a full reproduction on the cases, and they're splitting the actual shipping. So if you bought products together, well, they'll split the shipping and cover the shipping and get you the products you need in fashionable order. And this is insane, they're giving away $10 gift cards to every single order of the grip. So if you order 10 grips, that's right, you're getting $100 in Amazon gift cards. They're spending over $1 million in Amazon gift cards. That is customer service. This gesture right here already enables a community to even be more sympathetic and probably in the near future not even expect anything. To be honest, if they're giving you all this information, has been fully transparent, I don't mind waiting for a final proper product. The $10 gift card wasn't even needed, but they still went the extra mile to ensure that you guys were still happy, that we were still happy, and that's so important. That is so key. I can't stress enough how important that is from a company standpoint. The PR, the marketing, all these little things are very important when it comes to customer engagement and being out there. And I just hope more companies follow this thread. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna take a moment to address an important issue. I don't know if you guys heard of the Grid, the Grid.io. This company built an API that's supposed to build amazing websites using algorithms. It starts organizing the content based on their APIs, giving you the best layout, the best colors, everything is automated. And this was promised like over 5 years ago. You know, they're supposed to come out with V1, V2, V3. They launched V2. It was horrible. It never worked. It was crap. And you know, they kind of gave you a lifetime guarantee. You pay $90 and you're fully covered for life. Don't have to worry about subscriptions. And they just went missing. You know, they had a few updates here and there. They said they're gonna still deliver on V3. They had so many expectations and so much excitement. You know, last year, like about 6-7 months ago, there was even like people coming out saying that they got recharged for something they were never delivered with. So yeah, that is what you call bad customer service. And I'm sorry, the Grid, if you're ever watching this, that's on you guys. You can't screw with people who support you, who back you from the beginning. Don't deliver half jazz stuff and, you know, expect the world. A lot of people have been patient, and you know what? I just wrote it off. I'm just like, it's a business expense. It's out of here. Not my problem anymore. But I will not support anyone like that again. Thank you, DBRAND. You guys are awesome. And because of this video, I forced myself to put my skin on. So yeah. Thank you. I'll see you guys next time. My name is Rajeev Kugan. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell icon so you can get my videos on demand. And leave a comment below, hit the like button. All these engagements matter, it helps. So I appreciate the support. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.